Looking for a great gift idea for your client? Think food. Everybody loves food. We have a lot of packaging products specifically around food. If you're looking for something special, hunt down your local winery. There'll be a great winery in your region, and it always adds a special touch when you give a wine from your local region to one of your clients. Looking for a way to package these gifts? Well, this is where PackQueen can help. We have hundreds of different products to make your product and gift package to your clients stand out. Whether it be our chocolate boxes or choose one of our wine boxes in different colours and styles, whether it be 1, 2 or 3 wines in a box, we've got something that can cater for you and make your gift to your client unique and something that they will love. Want to make your package a little bit more special? We can help with that by adding some branding to your package. Whether that be printing on your box, a custom label, some tissue paper, or even as simple as a custom printed ribbon. We have some great ideas to help brand your box. Another way that you can brand your box is by using a colour that represents your logo. We have lots of different colours, whether it be black, blue, green, red, and a lot more that you can choose from, so you can add that colour into your gift package. Don't forget to add a little thank you note into your gift package to your customer. Customers love that. They want to know that their gift was personal, and adding a little handwritten note is a great way to say that. Another idea is if you're not sure that food is the option for you and you would rather give a great gift certificate, we have some amazing gift voucher boxes. Whether it be a small gift voucher box or a DL gift voucher pouch, you can add in that special message to your customer within that box or package, and they'll be delighted to receive either one.